Do any of you use Instagram? Whether you have an account or if you're someone who runs a meme account, this video is going to be pretty interesting to you. So today, I'm reviewing the profile of someone who sells shoutouts on a pretty popular and fast-growing meme account. His name is Peter. I hope I pronounced that right. And he does what I just said. He sells shoutouts on Fiverr to be shouted out on his Instagram account to either boost other people's social media or to promote and sell their products through his Instagram account. It's a really cool one. I've never done one like this on this channel yet, but I think it's very interesting because this is the way people are selling and starting businesses in 2020. Instagram's a big part of it. So thanks for the submission. I'm really excited to get into this review. Peter Slenter. So Peter, thank you for submitting your profile for review. I'm sorry it's taken so long. I've been getting hundreds of these, so I'm trying to work through them while making the other videos that I make for this channel. But thank you so much for submitting. I think you got a pretty cool photo here. I'm usually a huge fan of headshots, but I mean, this looks like a pretty professionally taken photo of like a beautiful street, I assume to be in the Netherlands because that's where you're from. Looks really nice. So his bio says, let me show you the definition of good customer service. I like that. He's from the Netherlands. He's been a member since May of last year. His average response time is an hour, and his last delivery is a month ago. So his description says, hi, my name is Peter Slenter. I'm a 20-year-old international business student at university. I run an Instagram page with over 17,000 real followers. Wow. My followers have a wide range of different interests and are located predominantly in the US and the UK. If you're looking to promote your product or for a shout out of your Instagram, look no further. Just send me a message and I will do everything in my power to help accommodate your requests. I hope to work with you in the future. Okay, so this is a pretty interesting one. I've never reviewed a profile like Peter's here where I hope it, and by the way, I don't know if it's pronounced Peter or Pietor or something. I'm trying my best. Just want to put that out there. But back to this. I've never worked and reviewed a profile here of someone who's got a huge social following and is shouting out people to their followings. I think that's a very innovative way to use Fiverr to offer real value. So I think this description is pretty cool. I know exactly what you do. You got a big following on Instagram and you're selling shoutouts to that following. I think that's pretty cool. And I know that that's a way that some people market their social accounts. So really cool. So this is the one. So just off the bat, you know, he's got like a brand kind of color palette going here that I like. It says Instagram promotion. Straightforward. He's got the Instagram logo. Shout out your Instagram or promote your product. Straightforward. He's got the little likes flying everywhere. I think it looks good. So starting with the subject line, I will shout out your Instagram or promote your product. I think that's a good shout out, a subject line. You know, Instagram shout outs might be something that people are looking for. Promoting products, another thing people who might be interested in this gig are searching for. So I think you do a pretty good job. Write it with a subject line that people might actually be searching for. So we'll just quickly click through here. So, okay, so he's showing, I guess these are Instagram post insights. So Fred the Bench, he's a meme account. He does have 17,000 followers, okay. Okay, now this is an example of a shout out he's done. Another one. Cool, okay. So he shows that he's got a big following and he does these shout outs. I think that's pretty cool. So let's read the description. Instagram shout out, brand or product promotion, model shout out and advertisement on my meme Instagram page with almost 18,000 followers and continuously growing. I will make a post with your picture and I will mention your page in a caption. This is an awesome chance for you to promote and advertise your page or brand to gain exposure online. This gig will give you an excellent opportunity to grow your brand, your page, sell products. Why choose me? I'm an Instagram influencer. I'll sponsor your ad to real and active followers all over the world, and I'll increase awareness of your brand and products or services. Okay, cool. Extras that I offer. Bio link. Okay, so he'll put a link in his bio. That's a good extra. Important. Will post when followers are most active, so he'll even make sure that he's optimizing when he's posting. That's cool. Then he puts a disclaimer. Sales or followers are in no way guaranteed. It all depends on the quality of your ad, website, or Instagram page. I think that's safe to put that in there. If you have any special desires, please let me know. Before you place the order, please open to sharing your ideas so that I can give my best. Excellent and super fast delivery. No sexual or racist content permitted. Okay. Overall, it's so straightforward what he does here. I think this is well written.
He outlines some things that I love. So I love these types of lists. So he says, why choose me? And he lists 3 good reasons. He lists a pretty valuable extra, I think, that a lot of people probably go for. And then he even points out that important, I will post when my followers are most active. So overall, I think this gig is solid, and I'm actually very intrigued to get this type of a review request because this is the first time I've seen this, and I think it's very relevant to how people do business in 2020. And then just going up here, so for 15-hour ad or shout out, it's $5. Then it goes up to 24 hours and 24-hour and a story. So I think this is solid, right? Like, I think this is a cool way for him to leverage a following that he's built on Instagram. And I think that it's very clear what he does. And the gig is built pretty well. So Piotr, I don't have any feedback for you other than keep at it. I'm really curious to hear how things go. You know, right now you have 21 5-star rate or close to 5-star ratings on this gig. Check back in, leave a comment on a video, and let me know, to check in on this gig. I'd love to see this gig grow because this is a very 2020, 2021 way of making money, right? Like selling shoutouts on Instagram. I'm happy you submitted to this. Thanks for the submission.
All right, man. Thanks for submitting your information. I really hope this video was helpful both to you and anyone else watching. Keep hustling, and until next time, cheers.